Hi guys, Steve here. This time we'll go through how to sign up for accounts and how to autofill our data. We have two options here. We've got sign up for accounts and create links. The way I use this is to actually sign up for accounts themselves, but don't drop a link at the time of sign up, and leave the account for 6 to 10 days and then go back and create your links. What I will do, I will go through and create a link on sign up, and I will create a link, I will create a sign up as I would normally do this process, then come back to the create links to see which sites I've signed up for, but I haven't actually created links on. So let's begin. In the account sign up page, we choose our website, which is Steve Test. Load the website. Let's choose our link group, load it, and for this we will choose Diego and eacademy.com. Then we choose sign up for selected sites. Within this screen we have a number of options. We have got the buttons themselves, move back a site, refresh the site if the site times out or something similar, navigate to next site, moves us to the next site, and depending on what we've actually clicked between these three tick boxes, a particular action will occur. If we create our link while we create our sign up, we must click one-way link created on sign up, and this link will not be shown when we go to find our sites that we've only signed up for and not created links on. If we come across a website that's been removed or a site that we no longer want to sign up for from our lists, we click mark website as dead, click navigate to next site, and the site is deleted from our list. You can re-import the site if needed. The current URL not working, maybe at the time you're doing your sign-ups the site is failing to load, or as happens with some of Angela's links, the site has disabled registrations for maybe 3 to 4 weeks, but it's a site you can actually come back to maybe a month's time or so. On the bottom we have add URLs to SEO bio. So when we do an autofill, it adds our URLs and anchor text, which is spun in either BB code, HTML code format, or textile code format. I will leave this ticked. We have three other buttons: autofill, which autofills our data; spin URL, if you wish to respin your anchor text and URL, you click this and it gets spun. Note the anchor text and URL spins automatically every time you navigate to the next site. Add current URL to RSS. We use this when we've created our link and we are on our publicly viewable page with our link on. We click this and it adds the profile page link to our RSS feed table and our profiles table, which we can create RSS feeds off and export to file. So let's have a look at the other options we have. If we right click the menu, we can see we have a number of options as well: autofill, save current profile URL, spin URL, and anchor text, which is the same as on the bottom of the screen. The other fields is text we can insert within fields themselves. For example, if I click in the search box, full name, it pastes in the full name, email, you get the idea. Let's sign up. Join Diego. Note that the buttons are grayed out when it's navigating between sites. As you can see on this page, we need username, first name, last name, email. We simply right click the mouse, autofill, and all of the fields are filled in of our profile data. We need to add in the capture code, and I don't want site updates. Continue. Let's make that gmail.com. And add these back in. Wonderful captures. As we can see, we sent an email to angel@gmail.com to verify your account. If we wish to verify the account straight away, we can click verify Gmail, or Gmail pops up. And we simply sign in. As you can see, activate our account. And it's been activated. Simply close that. If you wish to drop links at a later time, I would simply move to the next site and carry on doing the signups. What we'll do, we will actually log in. As you can see, we click sign in. So for Diego, we will create a link after the login just to show an example. So you can either do an autofill or just add the URL, site URL. We'll actually add in our keywords, then add new bookmark. And the page we're on, we will actually save this to current profile URL. And that's our profile links saved. We will click one-way link created on sign up, so this doesn't show up. Navigate to the next site, and that's us done. Our next site, eAcademy, we will create an account but not drop the link. So we'll autofill all our details and click join now. As you can see, the account's been created, and they will send a confirmation code, which sometimes can take up to an hour to receive. So we'll simply move on to the next site. Note, I've not clicked any of the sites themselves. Navigate to next site. This means I've actually completed my signups, and this is the end of the list. If we exit the screen, we can see that the links we've signed up for, which is recorded when we click navigate to next site have been highlighted in red, and the other sites have been selected. That is how we sign up to our sites and create our accounts.